DJI is taking on Insta360 with something brand new, the DJI Osmo Nano. It's a tiny action cam designed to be worn, clipped, or docked for vlogging. At just $299, it's cheaper than Insta360's Go Ultra. But is it worth your money? Today we're breaking down everything: design, video quality, stabilization, battery life, and whether this little camera really punches above its weight. The Nano is small, just 52 grams, lighter than your car keys. The camera pops off the Vision Dock screen and can clip to your head, chest, or even your hat. You can vlog with the screen facing you or flip it around for action shots. Compared to Insta360's Go Ultra and Go 3S, the Nano feels a little bigger but sturdier. It's waterproof up to 33 feet, so yes, you can swim with it. And when it's docked, it still feels lighter than a GoPro Hero 13 or DJI's own Action 5 Pro. Bottom line, DJI nailed portability here. On the Nano itself, you only get a power record button. The Vision Dock gives you all the controls: resolution, frame rates, stabilization, and even DJI's D-Log-M color mode. It's touch-based and takes some getting used to, but once you figure it out, it's quick. You also get voice and gesture control, nod or tap to start recording, time-lapse and pre-rec, which saves a few seconds before you press record. DJI mic compatibility for creators who need pro-level audio. Storage is another big plus. Built-in 64 GB or 128 GB. No microSD required, though some might still prefer that flexibility. Now let's talk video. The main reason you'd buy this. Thanks to its 1/1.3-inch sensor, the Nano delivers excellent footage. Bright, sharp, and more natural colors than older DJI cameras. You can shoot 4K at 60 FPS or 120 FPS slow motion. That's way ahead of the Go 3S, which tops out at 4K 30 and on par with the Go Ultra. DJI also gives you 10-bit color in both standard and D-Log-M, which means better dynamic range. Shoot log, apply DJI's LUT later, and you get gorgeous cinematic footage. Low light is decent too. Not perfect, but cleaner than the Go 3S and competitive with the Go Ultra. Both the Nano and Go Ultra have special night modes, but don't move too fast. You'll get motion blur. DJI's Rocksteady 3.0 stabilization works well in daylight. Walking shots looked smooth, and horizon balancing kept footage level up to 30 degrees. But here's the catch. At night, stabilization struggles. Because the shutter speed slows down, you'll notice blur and pixelation if you're moving quickly. GoPro still has the crown for buttery stabilization in tough conditions. Battery life? The Nano runs about 90 minutes solo, or up to 200 minutes docked at 1080p/24. But if you're shooting 4K at 60pp, the realistic setting most of us want, expect 30 to 40 minutes before it overheats or dies. That's a compromise. Okay, here's where the Nano stumbles. Stabilization in low light isn't great. No USB-C port on the camera itself. You need the dock to charge. DJI's Mimo app still trails Insta360's Studio app for editing and AI effects. That said, for $299, DJI is undercutting the Go Ultra at $450 and the Go 3S at $400. You get better video quality than both, more built-in storage, and more accessories in the box. So should you buy it? If you're a creator who values video quality above all else, the DJI Osmo Nano is an amazing first-gen product. It beats Insta360 in raw footage, competes in low light, and costs less. But if you care more about stabilization and editing tools, Insta360 still has the edge. Either way, the Nano proves DJI is serious about the wearable action cam space. What do you think? Would you go with DJI's new Nano or stick with Insta360's lineup? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if this helped, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more deep dive reviews.